trying to get this thing up here. It's a pain, and I really can't film because my neighbor back here is playing some music, which I like the music, but it makes it a problem for me doing this as a video. So let me do some silent videoing here in a moment. Really worried about this. It's really hard to see, but there is actually space between the floor and the top of the transmission and transfer case, which I was actually very worried about because I was doing this blind when I welded all this in under here. I didn't have any of this in, which probably would have been smart, but yeah, we're looking good. I did get this all filthy because I drug it in the dirt. You know, it is heavy and I'm doing this myself, but you know what? A little bit of pressure washing will take care of that just fine. I'm gonna clean up the tools and get these jacks out of here. Okay, engine is in, transmission transfer case is in. What a pain, but we got it. Still need to blow all that dirt off of there, but we're doing good. So now I need to build my drive shafts, put those on. It's coming. Stand by.